Hello student, today we are going to learn the algorithm of deletion of the element from the array. We have seen the insertion of the element and traversing of the element. Now we'll see the deletion of element from the array. So see the variables, delete LA and K and the item. So LA is the linear array, N is the total number of elements in array, K is the positive integer, that is the position. We are going to give the position of the element that which we want to delete from the array, and that we are going to store in a variable k, and that k should be less than equals to n. N means the total number of element. Now see the algorithm. First step, set item is equals to LA of k. So item is the variable in which we are storing the that particular element that we are going to delete from the array. Then second step, repeat for j is equals to k to n minus 1. Here we are using the for loop. In that for loop, we are assigning the value of j, that should be from k to n minus 1. Third step, set LA of j is equals to LA of j plus 1. We are shifting the values from right side to left side as per the condition. Then increase the counter, j is equals to j plus 1. Then end of the loop. When the loop finishes, then at the last we have to set the value n is equals to n minus 1. And the last step we have to write the exit. So this is the algorithm. Now see how to delete the element from the array. We are taking one array as 8, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. This is the element in the array. Now how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements are there in array. So now our n is equals to what? Total number of elements. So n is equals to 6. Now set item is equals to LA of k. Which item you want to delete from the array? That location you have to set as a k. Now suppose we give the index as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. These are the index of the array. Now suppose we want to delete the 14 from the array. So we give this as a k. Okay, so LA of k is the 14. That 14 we want to delete, and that 14 is located at the location 2. It is the index value of the 14 is 2. Now what is our step? Item is equals to LA of k. Item is equals to LA of k. So LA of k is what? 14. So our item that which want to delete is the 14. Now second step, repeat for j is equals to k to n minus 1. J is equals to k to n minus 1. What is k? K is at the location 2. So 2 to n minus 1. What is n? 6 minus 1. That is the 2 to 5. Okay, so j's value will start from the 2 and it will end to the 5. So this becomes our j. Okay, means our loop will start from the 2 and it will end at the 5, as it is a for loop we are using. Now next, set LA of j is equals to LA of j plus 1. So what is the value of LA of j? LA of j is equals to LA of j plus 1. Now what is j? J is located at the 2. So LA of 2, that we want to put the value 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 becomes 3. LA of 3. So what is the value of LA of 3? That should be becomes at the LA of 2. Now LA of 3 is the 16. This item we deleted. So this place become empty. This 16 come over here. That we shifted of the 16 over here by using this statement. LA of 2 is equals to LA of 3. Now increase the counter. J is equals to J plus 1. J is starting with the 2. Here J. Now J is J plus 1. J is equals to J plus 1. That is the 2 plus 1. It becomes 3. So now LA of 3 is equals to LA of 3 plus 1 by using this statement. LA of J is equals to LA of J plus 1. So LA of 4. So what is the value at the LA of 4? 18. So it is shifted over here. That is at the location of the 3. So 18 becomes over here and this becomes empty as we shifted this here by using this statement. Again increment of the J is equals to J plus 1. J is equals to J plus 1. What is our J? 3. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. So LA of 4 is equals to LA of 4 plus 1. Okay. So LA of 4 plus 1 is what? LA of 5. So what is the value at the LA of 5? That is the 20. So it is shifted over here. That is the 20. Okay. It is by using the this statement. Again we increment the J. J is equals to J plus 1. That is the, what is our J? 4 is equals to 4 plus 1. 5. Now we check the condition. K is K2 n minus 1. What is the condition? This is 5. So we did this one by using this statement. So now it will come out from the loop and it will set n is equals to n minus 1. What is n? N is equals to 6. So it becomes 6 minus 1. That is the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there are the 5 elements in your array. So this is the algorithm for the deletion of the element from the array.